Hey there, TRW crew, Matt Vasallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick tutorial video, I just want to show you our favorite workstation. So this is actually just a chalkboard. It has the recessed edges, as you can see here, to keep all the stones in. So this is something we don't even sell on a website, because by the time we stock them, by the time you ship it and you pay for a large board like this, it's going to be really expensive. We want your business to save money, so we just share where we get it from. So these you can get from Amazon, and I have the link right below this video here. You can also get them at a Hobby Lobby or possibly some of the Michaels. So check them out. They're very inexpensive. They can range anywhere from $7 to $12, $13. This is a little bit larger one. You can even get larger than this, but I want to show you how easy this is and how great it is. But I really love the recessed edges. I also really love the black background, so those stones really pop, makes it easy to see. So there's a bunch of companies out there that will sell you workstations, and they're expensive. I fell for it when I started my business. Please don't fall for it. Buy something very inexpensive. We don't need to make money. We want to save you money so your business can make money. So let's go check this out. Alright, so you can see I have my Magic Flock template on here, and this is just from our Greek font that we have on the website. So I'm just going to throw some SS10 stones on this real quick. But it makes it really easy to see. I'm using my monster brush here, and I'm just going to brush around in small circles. Where people run into a big issue is they try to guide the stones in. Just go into small circles like I'm doing right here. Once you feel like most of your stones are in, just kind of brush in a straight line to get your excess stones out. And look how easy that was. Every single one of those stones are in right side up. They're perfectly straight, and I'll even zoom in here to show you. Check that out. That took all of 10-15 seconds to get all of those stones in. So any of you out there that hear people say, well, the stones, you have to flip them around, you have to use tweezers, all of that is false information. You can see how easily these brushed in. Just don't guide them. What you want to do is just make sure that you are brushing them around in a large circle. Once you want the excess ones away, go in a straight line and you're good to go. Alright, so that's it. You can see how great that workstation works right there. So to get this workstation that you saw me use here, click on the link right below this video on Amazon. You can get it if you have Amazon Prime. You can get free shipping on it as well, which is amazing. You don't even have to leave the house. It could be there tomorrow if you want. But you can also get them at Hobby Lobby, possibly some Michaels as well. But thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps your business. Hopefully it saves you some money, and you guys have an amazing day. Make sure to click that like button if you like this video. Subscribe below. And of course, check out the website, therhinestoneworld.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Later.